Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use less internet data. To begin, regularly check your device's data usage settings to pinpoint data-hungry apps. Many smartphones offer built-in tools to track consumption, often showing usage per application. For instance, streaming high-definition video can consume up to 3 gigabytes per hour, while standard definition uses about 700 megabytes. Understanding these figures is your first crucial step towards significant savings. Next, dive into your app and browser settings. Activating data saver modes in browsers can dramatically cut down on data, sometimes by more than half. For video streaming, switching from 4K to standard definition can reduce data usage from 7 gigabytes to just 1 gigabyte per hour. Also, ensure messaging apps aren't automatically downloading videos and images. Manually select what you wish to view. A powerful strategy is to maximize your use of Wi-Fi. Always download your favorite music, podcasts, and videos when connected to a wireless network, allowing you to enjoy them offline without touching your mobile data. Similarly, ensure all system updates and large application downloads are set to occur only over Wi-Fi. This simple habit can save you several gigabytes of cellular data each month, making a substantial difference. Finally, consistent monitoring and maintenance are key. Make it a habit to check your data usage reports weekly to catch any unexpected spikes. Setting data limits and alerts on your phone can provide timely warnings before you hit your cap, helping you stay within budget. By consistently applying these straightforward methods, you will effectively reduce your internet data consumption and maintain control over your usage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.